Yep.
Hello. It's Yeti.
Tailgate shut.
We've got the suspension fixed in the truck. We're gonna go up this hill. We're gonna see if we can make it. So hold on.
It's gonna be a pretty big hill.
Ah!
Don't hit my truck.
Go! Fuck. Yeah! Go, 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 go! Oh shit! Oh shit! That's fun! Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Get it! Get some! That beer we left home! Oh, I got beer on me! My bad.
Keep going.
Yeah, I gotta go back up.
Alright.
Hey. Damn.
Hey, dude, you know you got a beer in your hand, right?
Yeah.
And a cigarette too at the same
It
time.
works, man. Man.
Go slow, bro.
I'm trying, man. Look, my hat. It's the hat, dude. The hat did it.
That fox hat?
Fox hat. Am I good?
Yeah.
So who's my eyes? Duff, you watching?
Hey. Cut it to the left right now. Right now. Yeah.
Left.
Cut it to the left right now. Left, bro. That's to your right.
Oh, my bad.
Are you fucking serious?
Oh, right there?
Yeah, back up right in there.
And we went last time.
Pull forward a little bit. Go over. You're gonna hit a tree.
Is it a little tree?
Yeah.
No.
Now stop! Stop! Stop!
Hey, you got it. Go around. No, you're good.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Damn. Are you ready?
Are you ready?
Hey, make sure you get a video of that whoop you lost last time.
Shut up, bitch. Oh shit. Acorns. Ah. Oh, we're gonna die.
Oh god.
Hey, there's the wood come up on the right, dude.
Oh, okay. Oh god. It's like a fucking Bronco.
Yeah.
Let go of the brake.
Oh,
Got it. Hey, do some whips in here.
Do I got a flat tire?
Go around the campfire.
Oh, power steering.
There you go, there you go, there you go, there you go.
fuck, bitch.
Where's the camera?
Hold on.
Oh shit.